previously showed you what was in my FABFITFUN spring box for 2025, and this is a follow-up video how I have been enjoying the products, which ones I have been using, which ones I haven't been using, which ones I gifted, all the tea on the items. Hi, I'm Shawn. Welcome to my channel. I usually do party games over here, and occasionally I show you FABFITFUN because they send me the box for free. I love the stuff. I used to have my own subscription, and I think it's a fabulous deal if you want to treat yourself or if you want to gift a box to family and friends that have holidays or birthdays coming up. You won't be disappointed, and your family and friends will not be disappointed in their box either, in my opinion. All right, a little bit about FABFITFUN. FABFITFUN is a seasonal subscription box that allows you to fully customize every item that you put in your box. So all of these items I'm going to show you, I picked out myself. You get a list of choices of items available for 6 full-size products, and then you get to pick which one you want from those choices, which is honestly fantastic, because why wouldn't you want to pick your own items in your own box? That way too, if you're gifting for someone, you can pick out exactly what's going to go in their box as well. I do have some promo codes for you to save you some money, because we're in a season where we need to save money. Things need to be budget friendly around here in my household, and I have a feeling it's probably that way for you as well. If you get an annual subscription, I'll pop up the price point here on the screen. I recommend the annual subscription because you do save money getting the annual. You will get a free deluxe premium gift with the code ShawnMHowell. And if you do the seasonal subscription, there are 4 boxes that come out a year. If you just go season by season, it's called a seasonal subscription box. This is how much it is per box. And you get, with this code, 20% off your first box. So fantastic. Use this one if you're going to gift to someone, or if you are trying FABFITFUN for the very first time, use my code Shawn20 for 20% off your first box. Okay, I've got my little post-it notes here, printed what my choices were and what I picked for everyone. So for choice number 1, I had picked out the July Crescent, Everyday Crescent bag. This retails for $65. Now, I love the July brand. We went on an Alaskan cruise last year, and I purchased the July luggage for my husband and my son and I, and we loved it. Love the July luggage, so I had to pick up this bag and test it out. It is premium cotton canvas. It has a fantastic zipper. Now, full disclosure, I have only worn this once. I wore it out walking. We have this cute little railroad trail in our community that has restaurants around it, coffee, and my husband and I went walking, and I wore this. I also threw this in the washing machine because it is fully washing machine approved, and it came out fantastically. Like, I had no issues. I had a couple of dings on, you can't even tell they're there, on the hardware, which is high quality, by the way. It's actually a metal hardware, not plastic. Couple of dings, and one of you suggested next time to throw a towel in with this when I wash it, so I'm going to pass that tip on to you here today. It holds a water bottle, it holds all of your essentials, it has a zippered pocket on the inside to keep things secure, and it hugs the body. It's a crossbody, it's fully adjustable, it hugs the body, and it holds a lot more than you think it would. It held everything I needed for my walk. It was a colder day, so I had like gloves, I had a hat, I had a scarf, I had my water bottle. Everything was in this beautiful crescent bag. Would recommend. Choice number 2, I have used this much up. It was filled to the tippy top, y'all. All the way to the top. It is the OC Malibu Ocean Eyes. It retails for $58. I've been using this morning and night. It has a roller ball that is metal. So it's so nice and cooling. It feels like the texture is water texture. It's not like a serum. It doesn't feel greasy. It doesn't feel sticky. It's not a lotion. It literally feels like water going on in your eyes, under your eyes. So put it here. It's supposed to anti-age fine lines and crow's feet. And it says it is a serum, but I'm letting you know it doesn't feel like it feels more like water to me. I would buy this again. $58 is a pretty steep price. in my opinion. So if you're going to get it in FabFitFun so you don't have to pay that $58 price tag. Love this. It's fragrance free too. I didn't have any eye stinging around my eyes either. Choice number 3, I picked out the Molten Brown Orange and Bergamot Bath and Shower Gel that retails for $35. Y'all know I was excited to get this again. I'm halfway through it. It has a skin softening effect on your body when you use it, and it smells heavenly. It smells like a spa. I originally discovered this in Charlotte, North Carolina. I stayed at a nice hotel. I'll pop up the name here if I can remember what it is. And they had this in their bathrooms, like in the rooms of their bathroom, and I fell in love with this particular scent. So when I saw it pop up on FabFitFun, I purchased it immediately. These make great gifts. These are great for going in your guest bathroom or for yourself. Absolutely love it. Again, if you're unsure about the scent, FabFitFun is a great way to test out things that you've been wanting to try but haven't wanted to purchase full price at the regular stores. Love, 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 love. Choice number 4 were these bracelets. These are the 8 Other Reasons Bubble Bangle set for $45. And these are sitting in my gift container. So I don't know about you, but I have a gift container that I put things in. So anytime somebody has a birthday that I've forgotten, or you know, Christmas is coming up and I need stocking stuffers, or Easter is coming up and I need something for an Easter basket, literally anything I might need a gift for, I go to my little gift container and pull out. So these are in there. I love the look of these bracelets. They're just, I don't feel like I have a thick wrist, but they are just way too, they're tight. They're tight on my wrist, which gives a nice look, but I do have issues with inflammation. And so when I wear these for like 10-15 minutes, I get the dots all over my wrist and it's not pretty. This other I have not used yet either. I'm waiting until I finish with my body exfoliator and then I'll be trying this. This is the Mother is the name of the brand. The Nudist Exfoliating Body Bar in Dirty Citrus. I forgot what this smells like. Yeah, it smells good. It smells like a spa. It is an exfoliating body bar. So I have not tried this yet. Okay, but I'm excited to. And then the last thing I have actually back here behind me. This is the picture frame by Trina Turk. Retails for $38. It's a gold, like a silver gold, a light yellowy gold. Look how beautiful that wavy frame is. It's got the soft velvet on the back. It says Trina Turk up here. It's got a way to just display it if you want to put behind you. And I put a picture of myself and my sister-in-law in it. So look at that. See? The two of us together. And it just sits behind me so that I can see it. So I absolutely love that as well. Thank you, FabFitFun, for sending all this stuff over to me to try out for my viewers and to show everybody. Don't forget to check out my promo codes down below, and I will be back next week with another party games video for you all. Easter's coming up. So we're about to have some springtime fun over here. I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.